What up dogs, Tape here, and welcome to my YouTube channel, and also welcome to another unboxing together with Astro. In the previous video previously on Tapes, we have unboxed the A50s and the A20s, and now it's time to do the Astro A40s together with its Mixamp. And you can see down here, we actually have a new unboxing angle. I thought that we gotta try it. You know, I'm learning this unboxing. Maybe I'll be on unboxing channel soon. I also got a haircut because we gotta look froggy fresh for the Astro A40s. Enough talk about that. Let's get into why you're actually here. Let's take a look at the Astro A40s and its Mixamp. Start opening it up. I do not want to mess up my camera because it's gonna fall and it's just hanging by a thread basically. All right, we're getting it out of the box there. When you get it out, I noticed this, like especially if you get the lighting really good on my main camera, you can see that the box actually comes with some really cool engraving, and I think it's upside down. Some really cool engraving and some Astro logos, and I see an Astro headset there as well. But now we're ready to check out what is actually inside, and Zelda sound effect, maybe. Talking to my editor. But when we open up the box, we got the headphones, and obviously that's why you're here. If you are a gamer and you have never heard of Astro A40s, then I do not know what you have been doing with your life. I mean, I've been using these for like 3 years, and the ones that I have that are, you can actually see down here that I have hanging with a really nice headphone hanger, are actually like 3 years old, and I've actually dropped them a couple of times, and they're super sturdy and they're still completely fine, which is really good if you're a clumps like me. And they are really comfortable. They are I mean, they look really nice, and they have that like classic headphone look to them, and they're not too like bright, they're not too yellow or anything. They're just like cool and badass. Those are the headphones, and if we flip up the other one, we got a tinier little box, and there is where the Mixamp resides. So Mixamp, for somebody who, you know, this is your first time encountering it, the easiest way to kind of explain it is basically, this is gonna give your headphones a little bit more oomph, like a little bit more power. You can also change the equalizer on it, and if you take a look at it instantly, you have two different knobs on it. I'll hold it up here because the camera quality is better here. One knob is literally just the audio. The other one is game versus voice balance, something that we'll mention a little bit more. And in the other tiniest folder on the side, there is the cables that come with. We have a headphone cable, and it also comes with this really smooth feeling optical cable that you can use from your console to your Mixamp. So basically, a really cool feature is that you can have your Mixamp connected to your PC and to your console with this optical cable, and all you have to do to switch the audio is flip the switch on the back of your Mixamp, and you are literally ready to swap from PC to console, and you know, never even have to take off your headphones. That's really neat. It also comes with a USB cable. This goes into your Mixamp, and this is actually going to allow you to instantly, via your Mixamp, get 2 audio tracks, which is great if you are, for instance, a content creator. Maybe you want to put 2 different audio tracks, you want to split them, the game sound on one side and your friends talking on the other one. Maybe they're saying something stupid and you want to mute them. Together with this little cable and that Mixamp, you can actually do it. And it also comes with this DC cable, which literally lets you connect several mix amps together, which is really important if you maybe want to set up a LAN, you want to connect several mix amps together, or you want to stream like a really big event. Astro is your product. All right, I think we got to mention a couple of more things about the Mixamp, because I don't think people really realize how good this is. I keep telling my content creator friends, hello, why don't you have several audio tracks? Bam, with an Astro Mixamp, you can do that. And also, like, obviously, as I said, the game voice balance is really nice if you just want to turn it down sometime, or maybe you just want to focus on the game. But there's also an equalizer mode. There's 4 different equalizer modes already presetted onto your Mixamp. But if you download the Astro Command Center, you can actually change them and customize them. So, you know, it's literally your preset on one of these. Also up here, we got the Dolby audio button. You can turn Dolby digital audio on and off if you would rather prefer to be gaming in stereo. Some people prefer that, but that is really simple with only a little click of a button. 2 more things that I thought I mentioned about the Mixamp is that one of it is that you have an aux input that maybe you want to listen to something while you're gaming, some music from your phone or something like that. You can plug it in on the aux input, but you also have a stream output, which I actually didn't really know about, because I used to have an old Astro Mixamp, and now with the stream output, I am really glad that Astro has made this, because not only is it going to be perfect if you're a content creator, maybe you have 2 PC streams set up or something like that, but not only that, not only can you customize in the Astro Command Center what the stream output actually sends out of the Mixamp, you can also send out digital Dolby audio through this little cable, which is really impressive if you ask me. I think this is the perfect time in this video to kind of explain why my Astro A40s look a little bit different than the Astro A40s coming out of the box, and they are both tournament ready. This means that these Astro A40s, yeah, with a couple of simple steps, could look like this. What I have done is that I bought a mod kit for a more closed air cups, and also custom faceplates that are also more closed, but the ones that I have on right now are actually just to make them look a little cooler. They have a Warzone faceplate and a fresh Ego kit. Those were the guys that sent it. If you live in America, you actually have the luxuriousness of being able to order custom Astro faceplates, and hopefully that's gonna come to Europe really soon. So that's why mine look a little bit different. And one thing that is quite interesting, maybe for you guys to know, is that you can cover up the microphone output with a different faceplate if you are, per se, not using your Astro microphone. You can still rock the beautiful Astros on your head when you're gaming. There's a lot of things that I could talk about the Astro A40s, and some of it is just how I feel about them. I absolutely love these headphones, and I am truly honored that Astro likes to work with me. Hey, I like you guys too. That's really cool. One thing that I gotta mention right off the bat when we're talking about the Astro A40s is the game and voice balance. I mentioned it quickly, but let me explain how it actually works. You put your friends on one track and you put the game on a different track. And with the Mixamp, you can twist and turn the knobs to perfect exactly how much of each thing that you want to hear. Also, the Astro Mixamp comes with a PC and console mode switch button that you easily flip on the back to make sure that you are set up ready to rumble. The Mixamp Pro TR that we're looking at today is fully customizable via the Astro Command Center and features a stream and an aux port. This stream out port is really cool, and it's something that as I said, I kind of just discovered, which is great. It's gonna let you put a full mix down of both your microphone, your audio, and your gameplay. Just send it out and you can instantly stream it to, like, for instance, a streaming PC. A40s with the Mixamp are also ready to start gaming on the new Xbox generation, the Xbox X and the S. All you need to do is a little sweet update on your Mixamp via the Astro Command Center. The Astro A40s are also compatible with the PS5, but to get the voice balance where you can change how much you want to hear of the game versus chat, you need this HDMI adapter that I showed in the A50 video to get the voice balance. But luckily, Astro has made it really, really simple to set everything up. I've said a lot of things about the Astro Mixamp already, but You just gotta kind of like try it until you kind of realize how good the sound actually is. You got that Dolby audio, you got the directional audio and everything. If you're into that, of course, as a content creator, I think it's just huge that you can, with this simple thing, get 2 nice audio tracks when you are recording your friends and a game at the same time. And once you lay your hands on the Mixamp, you can really feel that it feels heavy, it feels very professional. It is like a nice piece of audio hardware that you're gonna wanna keep around for a long time. And of course, you know, if you just wanna pick up the Mixamp, that is a great option. I'm actually surprised that there's not more companies than Astro making the Mixamp. But hey, great job, Astro. I really like it. Now, I do feel like it's time to say that we're starting to get the hang of the unboxing videos a little bit better, at least. And I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And I want to say thanks to Astro again for, you know, letting me try to become an unboxing pro, pretty much. And if you guys want to ask me questions or anything about Astro, feel free to drop a comment or tune in on my Twitch channel, where I basically am live all the freaking time now. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.